Western Dixie County in Big Bend, Florida. Taylor County in Big Bend, Florida. Until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I haven't issued anything for that county in a while.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were
Another
located
KSG4
along the
is there.
line extending from near Mayo to 8 miles northwest of Horseshoe Point, moving northwest at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include
Alright, I forgot
Vail,
you died.
Erie, Steinhatchee, Phyllis, Tyndall, Jug Island, Clara, Buckville, Decker Beach, Northborough,
Okay,
Champlain Island, Foley, Salem, Perry Foley Airport, San Pedro Junction, Captain Springs.
We're not even under a risk.
Fish Creek, Cook Hammock, and Howell Place. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Tallahassee.
I really gotta set these radios up. I've been too lazy. So we got the 258, we got the 249, and the 250 to set up.
Taylor, Florida.
Oh, that's why they heard it.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KIH-24 in Tallahassee, Florida, operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz.
Okay. Darn it, I forgot what I was gonna say. Okay. Let me just reboot the F 800 on video here. Okay, let me just...
National Weather Service.
There. Okay. I do have two T61s back here, if you didn't know. I'm letting them sit out of service currently, because they don't go off at all. Oh yeah. Hey everyone, look, it's a pop, eat,